We were originally going to go to a botanical garden today, and I'm sorry, but the botanical garden is closed for renovation. Nearby is the glass temple, and it looks pretty cool. I just hope you guys can see, because on the camera, I don't know if the glass is going to show up, but it looks really cool from here. So we're going to see.
Is it a temple made of glass, or is it a temple made for the worship of glass?
I don't think it's for the worship of glass.
The coiled snake around Shiva's neck also reminds devotees to keep their ego under control. When the ego is in check, peace prevails in life forever.
Oh, so the cobra is basically like, check yourself or you wreck yourself.
We're at the Glass Temple in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. This is Untethered. I'm Wesley Green.
I'm Scott B. Smith.
And I'm Erica.
All right. Excellent. All right. We really had that timing off. Hello. Okay. Oh, you look really mangy. What is that?
Oh, I thought he was talking to me.
Scott, you're looking awfully mangy this morning. Oh.
You know, I wouldn't be too terribly surprised. Is it a temple made of glass, or is it a temple made for the worship of glass?
I don't think it's for the worship of glass. I think it is made of like concrete or some normal substance, and then the glass is like placed on in little pieces, but it's covered in glass.
It was a temple dedicated to the worship of glass. It is a miraculous material.
It is a miraculous material. I wouldn't worship it, though, if it were me.
But you're an atheist. You don't worship anything.
That's true.
So
you got me there. So we didn't.
What's Johor Bahru?
Johor Bahru is the city that we're in.
I thought we were in Singapore.
We were in Singapore last week. Okay. We changed on this show because otherwise it wouldn't be a travel show.
Well,
Johor Bahru is a lot cheaper place. I hope this is not draining my battery. Hold on. I got to make sure I shut off. Oh, it didn't shut off the map. Okay. That drains the battery. We don't want that. All right. Very good. Yeah. Johor Bahru is a lot cheaper place to wait. We got paperwork I'm waiting for in Singapore. And I'd been there for a week already because I planned it because I thought I was going to be there waiting on the visa and couldn't leave because, you know, when you're waiting on a visa, your passport's gone. So I'd planned to stay in Singapore for a week, so I did, but we didn't actually get the passport, so I got to go back later. Does Marietta have tall buildings?
I think so.
Now, I wonder if I need to take my shoes off.
What are those children doing? They're taking theirs off.
Yeah, they're washing their feet. Shoes over here. Okay. Do I need to wash my feet? Oh, there's a little basket just for me.
Those kids know what they're doing.
They really do.
Hey, I guess I'm not really supposed to talk about this technically, but nobody's going to care. Like, as some of the viewers may know, one of my big gigs that I'm doing right now is scoring standardized tests of school children remotely. But that's what I'm doing right now for work. And one of the passages that we were scoring recently, because this is generally like reading comprehension and writing and that kind of thing is what I'm scoring because I have a degree in English. But one of the passages that we just did was set in Vietnam, and it was about a person selling pho. And I said, I know what that is because of this stream.
Because of this show. See how much education people can get by watching this show?
This is set in like the 1970s, right after the war. I guess that's pretty vague. Apparently, Vietnam has had a lot of conflict over the last 50-something years. But
the American War.
Yeah, it was after the American War. And that was all run down and everything. And I was like, well, I sure am glad to know that it's different from that now, that it's a pretty great-looking place. See, this stream is very educational, even for middle-aged men like me. What can it do for you? Were those, like, shirts that you could buy? Like,
yeah.
Is this like a little gift shop?
This is all glass.
Oh my goodness! It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
This whole temple's bedazzled.
So the wall, ceiling, columns, everything covered in glass.
You're walking around barefoot on glass, but unlike John McClane, you're not getting your feet shredded. You know, I saw part of Die Hard the other day on television, and not only is it's a good film, but it reminded me how great Alan Rickman was as an actor. Oh my gosh, that guy kind of looks like Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Hey.
He founded the temple. He was involved.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
wow.
I want to quote Die Hard while he walks through there, but people might not know the quote anyway. But since you said something about it, when he's walking on the glass, he's like, "Come out to the coast, have a few laughs." So Wesley's like, "Out to the temple, have a few laughs." Ooh, what is this?
It doesn't say who it's for.
Oh,
Just remind you of anybody?
It looks kind of like Jesus.
It's Jesus.
You guys just sounded like you saw an old friend.
Jesus, what's up?
The Buddha. We're just seeing all these familiar faces.
I didn't guess this one.
Oh, Teresa.
Oh, it's Mother Teresa.
That's wonderful.
Pretty cool temple. Hey,
Look at there.
look at there.
Oh, sorry. Is that a little too southern? Look at there.
Look at there.
Well, God.
This one does. I don't see no cameras on this one. Okay. But it's also a fountain. That's kind of cool.
It's a beautiful little fountain.
Cool. We'll change the name of the episode to The Glass Temple.
Oh, look at that epic beard that dude's rocking.
Ooh. Now, when you pan out like that, when you go around everywhere, you can see the little shimmers. Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's the cow that we saw before, I think.
look at that. Wonder who all those are.
No songs, I don't know.
It looks like a family or like a royal court or something,
Yeah, it kind of does. It's a really cool temple.
So this is a Hindu temple?
That's right.
There's
No
Ganesh,
photography on
I
that.
think. Isn't that Ganesh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, okay. No
It's
photography
it's
there
just a little fuzzy. I couldn't tell.
Well, again, I don't think you guys can really appreciate it, but it is very glittery here. A little.
When you pan out and you go slow, you can see it do the bling. It's like a little bling effect as you go through.
Yeah. It
Yeah,
looks like a
I'm getting
J.J.
that
Abrams
constantly.
movie. So much lens flare.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah,
pretty.
you can really see it right there.
Yeah.
That's great.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Say no to evil. Well, that's good advice.
It is kind of generic, but
Well, that's all right. I mean, the best advice usually is. I still maintain say no to evil is a good advice.
it's also good advice.
That's amethyst.
Is that a geode?
Just
Wow.
cool.
Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
it is.
Wow. Is it amethyst?
Purple. Is that amethyst?
Yep,
Yeah.
that's amethyst. That's my birthstone.
This one, I think it's from a different rock, though. Cool.
Whoa.
That's great. It's like the Mineral Museum up here in Cartersville. Hey,
That's
it's a
what they were
lot
shooting
cooler.
for.
It's a lot cooler than it was when we were kids.
I don't know if I ever went to the Mineral Museum.
Oh, really? It's like a big science museum. It's great. It's got a digital planetarium.
Oh yeah, I want to go to that.
It's cool.
That's going to be cool.
And
As
they
long
have
as I know
dinosaur
nobody else is there.
Yeah. Oh, Miss Fancy Pants, you're just gonna rent out the whole theater.
Who did that? I kind of missed this guy.
Oh, wow.
He's like, how could you miss me? I'm buff.
Yeah, that is the buffest dude we've seen in here. He's got a cobra around his neck. Wow. And
He does, yeah.
an Aquaman trident. I mean, oh, look, his third eye is inverted. Look at that.
No.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, look at his hairdo, too.
Yeah, man.
His
Goodness.
face coming out of his hairdo.
Well,
That's Shiva or Shiva.
That's Shiva?
It says
Shiva?
the serpent
Shiva?
Vasuki is coiled around the neck of God Shiva. Because I looked up one that has I put Hindu deity with snake around neck and Triton, what looks to be a Triton. Oh, do you want to know what that snake means? Vasuki,
Oh,
the coiled snake around Shiva's neck, also reminds devotees to keep their ego under control. When the ego is in check, peace prevails in life forever.
oh, so the cobra's basically like check yourself before you wreck yourself.
well, that's good.
Yeah, everybody needs a reminder about that.
I didn't notice this. You guys can't see it. It's too dark. Huh?
Whoa, what is
Gotta
I
make out
wonder if-
something.
I wonder if I can change the camera.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, who are those people? Wow, look at that. Oh, is it
I don't know
the
if it's
progression of going through that person's life from a child to like an old man?
You are right on the money. I didn't pick up on that until you said it. Well, let's start down here.
Yeah.
This is a baby and toddler, and there's a child. We get to the young adult or teenager, and then a young adult, and then he begins to age. Wow, I mean, he's very old.
oh.
Cool.
Wild pigs. Ganesh again.
Is there anything you guys wanted to do a second look at?
What's that?
10 arms. Is that 10 arms?
Yes.
Yeah, 10.
Durga or Durja? I wonder if it's Durga. Having 10 arms that represent the 10 directions in Hinduism. She protects her devotees in all directions. It says in each of her hands, the goddess wields a different weapon gifted by the gods for her to fight against evil beings.
Oh my goodness. Well, that guy didn't say no to evil.
That might be a specific thing that it says weapons gifted by the gods for her to fight against evil beings such as Mahishasura. I wonder if that's who that might be in the fiction. He was a deceitful demon who pursued his evil ways by shape-shifting. Oh my gosh, maybe he was shape-shifting as like what? It says Durga is an incarnation of goddess Parvati, the daughter of Himavan, the lord of the mountains. She's mother goddess, the power that runs the universe. Goddess Durga then Mahishasura over a period of 15 days during which he kept changing his shape to become different animals and misled her. Looks like she got him right there, though, huh?
She got him.
Wow. She sure does. Boy, she's got a lot of blades.
And it says in each of her hands, the goddess wields a different weapon gifted by the gods for her to fight against evil beings.
Oh my goodness. Well, it looks like she's got somebody on the ropes.
Yeah, and the cobra is down there too, if you can see that.
Oh, well, that guy didn't say no to evil. She beat him up.
Apparently not.
There's more to see because we couldn't show you everything here, ladies and gentlemen, because they asked us not to film it.
It looked quite similar to the ones we were allowed to film.
Well, it's trying to leave an air of mystery.
Well, I'm convinced it's mysterious.
You're busting those mysteries with some hard facts.
I posted on Twitter my old shoes. Did you see those?
Oh yeah,
They
looks like
were
they'd had a good long life.
They had, yeah. I mean, they were 2 years old. I got them when I first got to Hanoi, right at the start of the pandemic. I've always wanted to learn how to golf. Well, hopefully you guys can help me figure out how to hit the balls. And, if we're going to do a travel show and we're ever going to do, I don't want to do totally tourist stuff every time. But if you're going to be traveling and you're going to be in Southeast Asia at any point, or to be honest, we're going to be in a tropical warm climate, golf is going to come up as a thing to do. And I don't want to avoid it just because I don't know how to do it currently. I'd rather learn how to do it. So that is the project of tomorrow's episode.
Well, and it'll be fun at the driving range because even when you don't know how to whack the balls right, it's still fun.
My goal is like one day when golf comes up again to get actual lessons and do an episode where we do that.
Jag testar och de här kommer då det personer som tar över. Jag är med sig kvar med i början. Men jag kan ändå vara lite lobby. Ja, 5, 4. Den är typ. Jag kan inte sätta från. Helvete. Nej, kom nu. Ja, jag testar. Och de här kommer då det personer som tar över. Jag är med sig kvar med i början. Men jag kan ändå vara lite lobby. Ja, 5, 4. Den är typ. Jag kan inte sätta från. Helvete. Nej, kom nu. Ja, jag